Literary terms. What is literary terms? Do you struggle to understand literary terms in English literature? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I will explain the most important literary terms like metaphor, simile, irony, symbolism, and tragedy. With simple example and easy language, whether you are preparing for PA, MS, CSS, PMS, or competitive exam, this video will make English literature clear and easy for you. So let's begin. Literary terms with example: allegory, metaphor; irony and symbolism; tragedy and style. Allegory and metaphor: a story in which character and events present deeper meanings. For example, Animal Frame by George Orwell. Animals represent political leaders. Metaphor: direct comparison without like or as. For example, life is a journey. Irony and symbolism. What is irony? A contrast between expectations and reality. For example, a fire situation burned down, situational irony. Symbolism: using symbols to represent ideas. For example, dove, peace; red rose, love. Tragedy and stars. What is tragedy? A serious drama ending in the hero downfalls. Macbeth, Shakespeare. What is style? Use of humor or irony to criticize society. For example, Gulliver Travels, Jonathan Swift. These literary terms are very important for exams, so revise them carefully. If you want more exam or oriented lectures, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.